So I remember back in 2019 when I went to my last cruise, because after that we know what happened in 2020, right? And it was amazing. It's so nice to go to other places, visit other countries just nearby US, and as well just sit down on the big ship. We always got the balcony suites, and we sat down out there and just watch the beautiful blue ocean. It's amazing. Whenever you're like, oh, why people call the ocean blue? Go on a cruise, you find out, okay? And the reason I'm talking about that is because I think I'm buying back CCL. Yep, Carnival Cruise Line. I'm thinking about the stocks are so attractive, and I'm gonna explain why I believe that, okay? My name is Hugo. Welcome back to Crypto and Stocks. A pleasure to have you guys here. If it's your first time, hey, go ahead, subscribe. And if you like the content of the video, smash the like button. Of course, put comments and share with your friends, okay? Before talk about CCL, let's talk a little bit about the market. The market today got dumped. No questions asked. Look this. Dow Jones is down 1.76%, 587 points. That's crazy. Nasdaq 1.59%, S&P 500 1.55%, Russell 1.9%, gold 0.34%. It was crazy. People are selling. It's just selling. They're scared. They don't like the uncertainty with the Russia and Ukraine conflict happening, and people are just selling. But then you look the Bitcoin's up 3.13%, and Ethereum is 4.09%, and ADA, that's Cardano, 0.62%. And the reason that the cryptocurrency is high is because the situation happened in Russia and their economy is going down to trash. So all this Russian, because you can Google it and see how many Russians bought some cryptocurrency. That's been crazy. Why? Because they want to edge themselves against the crisis, because the ruble is losing total value. So if they buy some Bitcoin and then 3 months down the road, 6 months down the road, hopefully just 1 week down the road, right? Hopefully that war ends, they can buy back their rubles and that they're gonna have a lot more money. So that's why. But we are not here to talk about the market. Let's talk about CCL. Okay, the reason I'm back to buying CCL is because I always bought CCL in Norwegian, and I'm probably gonna go back to Norwegian as well. I love Norwegian. That's my favorite cruise line. And the reason I'm buying the cruise lines again is because
they are back.
Yes, they are back 100%. Every ship is out. Starting May, they're gonna have 100% their fleet out and about. So they're going to everywhere in the Caribbean, Europe, everywhere, Alaska. So all the ships are back. And I want to show here on the chart how it used to be, how it got in 2022 and 2021. So what I expect to come in 2022, 23. 22 is not going to have much. We're going to start seeing some ding, but it's not going to be a major thing. So if you're buying CCL to sell in 6 months, that might not be a good idea. But if you're holding for 3 to 5 to 10 years, it might be a perfect idea. And just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so before buying any stocks, make sure to follow up with financial advisors. Don't buy because I'm telling you, because I'm just a YouTuber and I probably have no idea what I'm talking about, okay? CCL stock price is $18.86. It's been about 7.23% down today. In the last 5 days, been 13.8% down. In the last month, only 9.5% down only. They have a market cap of $21 billion, and their 52 weeks high has been $31.52. Let's see what the analysts think about this stock. Out of 9 analysts, they say it's a hold. So I'm buying, they are saying hold. Let's see who's right. The average price that they believe is going to be $27.50. That can be about 45-46% up to the price that they have right now. Some bullish analysts believe that's $38 per share. Some bearish analysts believe there it's going to be only $21 per share. Remember here, price per share is $18.86. Even if you go to the bearish by the end of this year, because this is for 12 months, you getting what, 20%? Yeah, about that, 20% gain in this stock. That would be great. I'm not gonna go through the whole balance sheet or anything like that because it is crap right now. They had no income in 2021 or in 2020 and 2021. So let's just see the history and what I believe for the future, and that's why I'm buying. So back in 2018, Carnival Cruise, this is in 1,000, so it brought $18.8 billion. In 2019, $20.8 billion. And then come 2020, and they only had the ships going for about 2-3 months, and they only had a $5.5 billion. In 2021, $1.9 billion. Why? Because they didn't have any ship out. Of course, they're not gonna make money. You know, if they don't have the ships out on the sea, there's no money coming. And plus, they are paying all the dock fees and the maintenance of the ships and stuff like that. So you do need to have your ships out. And guess what? They are having now. So if the last year was 1.9 billion, we are late in the year. Although they have some ship, they work with like partial capability for the beginning of the year, and they start in May. They're gonna have 100% with 100 occupancy.
So this means more revenue.
You know, if nothing else happened about like another virus explode there, this Carnival Cruise, Norwegian Cruise, Royal Caribbean Cruise, all these cruise lines, they're gonna have a good revenue. So whenever you look what they had before to whatever they have now, they're gonna be way above. And that's gonna mean more money to the stocks. The stock's gonna get pricier. So if I'm buying right now at $18.81, and by the end of the year it's $25, I'm freaking happy. You know, next year is in the $30, maybe in the following years in the $40. It's a gain over gain. And Carnival Cruise Line used to pay dividends. They, of course, they cut because they had no money come. They could not pay dividends, but the dividends should come back, and then I get a little bit more. And that's why I'm buying CCL again. I'm buying CCL because I want is a risky right now. There's so many unknowns that can happen in the next few months. But I believe if the situation, the economy continue the same way, even with the high inflation and all the other crap happening, I think that CCL can gain so much more in the next 12 to 24 months. That's my opinion. No. Hopefully today is going to be a better day. Let's hope that the markets become green. Right, Alan? Alan, tell them to be green today. And if you like the content of the video, smash the like button. Of course, put comments and share with your friends. You guys have a great day, and I talk to you guys tomorrow.